Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times before, so that is where the red and green lines are coming from. But as a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just call it, Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So really the main level going forward, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you. Lots of people are going to be watching, wondering the same thing. But the question that you need to ask yourself, so again, let's just say it was, Sunday afternoon you're watching this. Question number one becomes, where's the price at in regards to that green line? Now, given we have more data, I'm actually going to adjust this downwards as it seems as though the more accurate level of support is right down there around 9,400. So question number one, like I said, we'll say was Sunday afternoon. Where's the price at relative to 9,400? If you are answering the question that the price is still up above it or, within the range of it, so right around here, then, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's anything epically bullish, of course, but it also at least means that things haven't spun any more out of control. And that's really that kind of the key level, and why it's important is, and like I said, this is, everybody realizes this. I mean, there was some pretty nasty downwards momentum here. So now going into the weekend, it's, is this the start of something bigger? Is this little price movement right here just a little consolidation before continuation to the downside? So all those are very valid questions. But the point here being, all those questions revolve around a single area. And again, that area being right there at that green line, which is valued at 9,400. So a very straightforward question of where's the price currently at relative to 9,400 is going to be very revealing in that sense. Now, in the event the price, and you're saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 9,400, at that point, that's where gut instincts, common sense comes into play. Meaning if you're answering the question that the price is, slightly below it, okay, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing. But I mean, if you're answering it that the price is, all the way down there at 8,500. Well, that's telling you that, the weekend has gotten pretty bad and the bears are really taking that much more control. Now, on the flip side of things, the same exact thing is true. Meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is up above 9,400. So again, if it's somewhere right around here, don't get me wrong, that's good. At least it hasn't gotten any worse. However, if you're answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, not only is it above 9,400, but it's up there at 10,300. Well, that would be telling you that the weekend has turned around very, very nicely for the bulls. So from that point of view, like I said, common sense combined with some gut instincts and then all revolving around that 9,400 mark is a great way to keep this, overall kind of quote unquote story as relevant as the weekend plays out. So all eyes are on 9,400. Let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.